Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing something super fun. Like I said before, I love Halloween, and not just for the reasons of, oh, I get to dress up all so cute and this and that. No, I love costumes, and last year I was supposed to be Bob Ross, but I ended up getting my tonsils out, so I didn't get to do Bob Ross, but I get to do a video! I'm so excited! So we've got the fro going, and we've got the jean shirt going, and we've got some fall nails. Yes. Anyway, so a lot of you are probably like, seriously, Kayla, what are you gonna do for Bob Ross? I mean, isn't it pretty simple? You got the beard, you got the fro, you got the shirt, and you get a paintbrush. But not that simple. I'm gonna show you how to achieve this look with makeup. We're gonna do some wrinkles. We're gonna get some makeup on our face already. We're gonna do the beard with makeup. Oh my god, what do I have on my nails? Lordy. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be so cool, and I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Let's get started. Boom. Alright, so first I'm going to be going in with my Poreless Primer Putty, and a lot of people ask me how I do my makeup with nails because I love long nails, and to be honest, you just adapt. So like today, usually I go in up. You gotta go in and scoop it up like this. Otherwise, you're gonna have makeup all over your nails, and nobody wants that, man. So we're gonna get our canvas nice and smooth and prepped. I'm sorry, my voice is not as nice and smooth and comforting as Bob Ross. Definitely not. My laugh definitely isn't. It'll throw that whole comforting thing right out the window. But I'm gonna try to be as Bob Ross inspired as possible today. Okay, so now I want to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Revlon ColorStay. If you've been keeping up on my videos, you may have noticed I'm a little obsessed with this drugstore foundation. For one, it's cheap. It matches very well. Stays really nice, and it's a nice full coverage. So we're just going to get our canvas nice and covered here, blend it out. Just looking divine. Fresh AF. Alright! Oh, what is going on here? Hello. Now we want to go in with some concealer. And I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and we're just covering up all this nastiness here, and here, and here, and here. Alright. Perfect. Nice smooth canvas, prepped and ready for everything that we're gonna do to it, which is not a whole lot, but it's still really exciting. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in and we're gonna start kind of creating the wrinkles and just kind of setting everything up, and then we'll do the beard last. So first I'm gonna go in with my brows. Just light strokes and light strokes up. Just follow the pattern of your hairs with the brow. And then just take the spoolie end and brush that out. So we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna be using Puder and just blending that on the entire eye. I'm gonna go in with that same color and just kind of contour the nose a little bit, but a little wider than I normally would. So we're just gonna make ourselves look a little older with some wrinkles. So we're gonna go in with Central Park and just pat that color down. Do the same thing on the other side. Don't worry if it gets messy. We're gonna go back in with concealer and kind of clean that up and really make those lines pop. Now create some more, well, let's just do it where my natural wrinkles are. And I'm using the N443. I'm just gonna go in with some concealer on this nice flat brush, and we're just gonna I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Look at that, we look 10 times older already. So lastly, I'm gonna go in and do my beard, and to do that, I'm just using a cream Halloween palette and like face paint palette, and we're just going in with the wire brush and dabbing that into the brown, and just kind of do circular motions, dabbing that into your face because you want it to look natural. Just bring it up into the cheeks. You don't want to go too high because you still want it to look like a real beard. And then just make sure when you bring the mustache down. There we go. Just keep dabbing away. Y'all, guys, so literally this is my look. I'm not doing anything else because this, I mean, look, ah! And I think to kind of set in your beard, you can go in with some brown eyeshadow, but for real, like, I ain't mad right now. This is freaking good. All right, well, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell to make sure that you get notifications every time I post a video. I'll be posting every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Yeah, please share with your friends. Let me know if you tried out this look. I would love to see some Bob Rosses for Halloween this year. I would love to be Bob Ross this year, but I am going with a different look, which you all will see on Halloween. And yeah, thanks guys. See you next time.